new linkage. So now a solid linkage instead of using the throttle cable design that came with it. So, which looks like for if you want to throttle an engine, you can slide that also down through this and then run a separate throttle, which I think that's what that was originally designed for. But anyways, I was going to do another fork yoke end this side, but I couldn't find a solid anywhere other than, I found a short, like stainless threaded rod, but I couldn't find a nicer, longer piece. So I found this, and this looks pretty good. So that's be nice if it'd go most of the way, but then I thought about it a little more. If I cut the end off and threaded it, how are you going to get that apart easily? And so I fabricated a little bracket there, and so now I can tune it, tighten it down there, 2 knots, and tighten it up here 2 knots, and you get the. I should probably run a spring though, but I think that's, you could go out a little further if that's too far. Hands are too small to pull that back, but that at least gets it a lot easier at least. And then, like I said, I might put a spring on there. Kind of debating. I don't know if it really needs, but probably could if wanted to. But I think she's good to go. Just tighten up. I just need to tighten up the lock nuts and lock nut setup, and yeah, call it good.